Hey guys, how's it going? How to see your liked reels on Instagram. So first of all, just go ahead to your App Store, Google Play, and as you can see, Instagram needs to be updated. So I'm gonna quick demonstrate how it's done, and I'm gonna get back to the update. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just go back to my screen, go ahead to your Instagram app, and what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just move along to the next step, which is clicking my profile icon on the below right corner. And here, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just go ahead and click the three bars at the top right. In the three bars at the top right, you're gonna be able to see your activity. I'm gonna just go ahead right here and click on it, and basically you're gonna be able to see all of your interactions from likes to reviews to tags to comments. I'm gonna just go ahead right here and click likes, and as you can see, you're gonna be able to see all of the reels that you interacted with. Basically, let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.